Have you ever pulled up to a parking booth, only to have your driver's side window switch fail to respond? It is a common annoyance that can turn a simple daily errand into a frustrating experience. When your window stops moving, the issue is often isolated to the master control switch rather than the motor itself. Today, we are looking at a replacement power master window switch for the Hyundai Ioniq. This specific component is designed for the 2017 to 2021 Hyundai Ioniq. Before you buy, you must confirm your specific model year and verify if your current unit matches the 93570G 2020 part number. One of the most important steps is checking the back of your existing switch. Different trim levels can sometimes have different wiring configurations, so take a look at the pin layout on your current unit first. Replacing this switch yourself is a standard interior repair. It is a cost-effective alternative to visiting a service center, especially for older vehicles where out-of-warranty repairs can add up quickly. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to interior parts and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Currently, this part is listed at $26.33. It is a straightforward, functional replacement, but always double-check the latest pricing and shipping terms for your area before finalizing your order. The listed price is $26.33, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. When installing, be gentle with your door panel clips. Use a plastic pry tool to prevent scratching the trim, and ensure the electrical connector clicks firmly into place before you screw the panel back on. Never fully reassemble your door panel until you have tested every button. Make sure the driver's window, passenger windows, and lock switches all respond as expected to avoid having to take it all apart again. It is always worth comparing your current unit to the photos provided on the product page. Visual confirmation is the best way to ensure that the button shape and size are exactly what your interior needs. If your Ioniq needs a refresh, this switch might be a practical solution. Just remember to confirm your part number and take your time with the installation. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair.